going on, guys? Jumpman Eric here. Alright, guys, for today's video lacing style, we are going to be doing the dual lace. Alright, I'm calling this one the dual lace because you got two laces, one on one side and one on the other, all the way up, split down the middle. So there you have it. We got the dual laces for today's video. Let's get started. Alright, guys, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below, guys. I respond to all comments. I love talking sneakers with you guys, and that's all about what this channel is about. We're talking sneakers, we're doing unboxing, we're doing pickup vlogs, mall vlogs. I like to do some styling tips for you guys, and then obviously today we're going to be showing you different ways to lace your shoes, and I'm just all about anything sneaker related. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1K. Okay, I'm calling it the road to 1K. Alright, we're almost there. We're about to get to 500 subscribers, and once I reach 500 subscribers, we're going to do another giveaway. I just did a giveaway at 250, and now at 500, we're going to be doing a Foot Locker gift card and another t-shirt from the Grail Co. So hit that subscribe button for your chance to win those two awesome prizes. Alright, so you have your both laces right here, and what you want to do is line them up. Okay, so here we go. Got them all untangled. Alright, you want to make tidies in a little small knot. Alright, the very, very tip. Sorry, you can't see. Right there. Scoot it down. To keep these untwisted. Alright, you guys see that? There we go. Alright, yeah, so we're Eric, Cambrian Eric on our vlog channel. Check it out if you like vlogs. We're trying to grow that one as well, so we would appreciate a subscribe, a comment, a like, everything, all that good stuff. I'm telling you, this was the hardest one. You gotta have some attention to detail. If you don't have patience and attention to detail for this one, I would not recommend thing. You see all this extra lace? Because you're only doing one lace. If I were you, to get the shortest laces you can. And like Jordan 1 low laces or any other just short laces. You want to hang out small like I did on the Jordan 1 rolls. For this, I'm going to, I did this one. I tucked it under with the sole like I did with the other two. And that's what we'll do with, because this one is going to have a lot of extra lace hanging in there. I mean, like I said, if you don't mind, I used to do that. I just would tuck the laces in and just roll with it, and it didn't really bother me until I was like, I took the sole out one time, the insole, and I was like, oh dang, I should probably just tuck the laces underneath that. I didn't even think about that. So that's when I started tucking the laces underneath the insole. Alright, if I were y'all, I'd just put a new insole in there, you know. See? Yeah, that sucks. See, when you do that, that glue on there. There you have it, y'all. Woo! Alright, that wasn't too bad. That didn't take too long. Alright, let's do the on-foot review. Boom. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Comment down below. I will respond to all comments. And share this channel with your friends, guys. We're on a road to 1K, all right? Our next mile marker is 500. And once we reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a Foot Locker gift card and a Grail Code t-shirt. All right, and then once we reach 1,000, the prizes are going to get even bigger than that. So share this channel with your friends. Share it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all that great stuff, guys. I want to continue to grow this channel. And again, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I greatly appreciate it. I love having conversation down in the comments. So comment down below, guys. And again, this is going to be one of many videos. Go look at my past videos on different lace styles, or get your notification bell turned on for the ones I'm going to be dropping in the future. But I got 5 videos this week, and here is another way to lace your shoes right now. Click it, guys. You want to up your shoe game and lace game? This is the video.